Hey, Facebook land, Joe Van Orsdol with Right Home Inspections here, doing an inspection today in Maple Grove, Minnesota, and looking at a water meter and the electrical ground at the meter. So the electrical system needs to be grounded. Typically it's grounded to the metal plumbing system, which goes into the earth, creates the ground, or there's a ground rod outside somewhere. But on both sides of the meter, there's supposed to be a ground clamp, which there's a clamp there. And then if we follow all the way down to the meter and below the meter, we will find another clamp. But what I want to note in this report is that this clamp, the top clamp is a little corroded as well, but this bottom clamp is really corroded. It doesn't look like anything's particularly been leaking, but there may have been a lot of sweat on it in the summer, or maybe at one point it leaked a little bit and water sat on there and it corroded that connection. A corroded electrical connection is a weak connection and or a non-connection. So it's possible that there is no grounding right now for the electrical system in the house if this is not making good metal-to-metal contact. It's a fairly simple repair. You just need to get a new clamp. You need to clean off the wire, get to a good clean bare piece of wire and replace the clamp on the pipe. Not a big deal to do the repair, but could be a big deal if it's not there and it's not making a connection. So electrical safety is very important, and another good reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.